In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart, a powerful tool for creating diagrams and flowcharts. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Lucidchart offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to bring your concepts to life. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and go to the Lucid website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can sign up quickly using your Google account. Just hit the Sign Up with Google option, select your account, and follow the prompts. This is a straightforward way to get started without the hassle of creating a new login. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Here you have a choice. If you're eager to start customizing something right away, you can choose from the many pre-made templates available. There's a new option too, in case you want to create a document from scratch. The templates are a great way to save time and give you some inspiration for your projects. For those interested in creating a flowchart, you'll find a variety of options in the middle panel. Starting with a flowchart is a practical choice, especially for beginners. These customizable templates offer a solid foundation that you can tweak according to your needs. Explore the Templates tab to select and modify pre-made charts easily. It's like having a head start where most of the groundwork is already done for you. Once you've picked a template or started a new project, it's time to explore the layout tools. Check out the Shapes tab where you can choose different shapes and insert them into your project. These shapes are essential for developing the body and structure of your diagrams. If you need to include text or data containers, the Containers option is your next stop. They're perfect for adding detailed information directly into your charts. Visual consistency is key, so head over to the Theme tab to pick your preferred colors and themes. Consistent color schemes not only make your diagrams visually appealing, but also easier to understand at a glance. If you'd like to add conditional formatting, there's a tool for that too, allowing you to integrate smart data-driven rules into your elements. Finally, check out the image icon to upload any images or media files you might want to include, and the Data Linking tab if you need to connect your diagrams with Google Sheets, Excel files, or CSV files. This functionality can be incredibly useful for dynamically updating your diagrams based on real-time data. And there you have it. You now have the foundational knowledge to use Lucidchart efficiently for any project. Happy charting and stay creative.